So, welcome to Data Enthusiast Era. S- So, this is the task we were given. So, we have to create a Linux panel. During the monthly complaints meeting, it was pointed out that several servers in the Stratus DC do not have a valid banner. The security team has provided several approved templates which should be applied to the servers to maintain compliance. These will be displayed to a user upon a successful login. Update the message of the day on all the application and DB servers for Nautilus. Make use of approved template located at this path on the jump host. This is the jump host. So here in this path it is present. We can do one thing. We can copy this to. So here it is saying that on all the application and DB servers. These three are app servers. This is the DB server. Yeah. So three app servers and one DB server. Let's do that. First app server. Let's copy the password. Paste. Enter. Okay, now it got copied. So in order to apply it to the host, in the host there is a file called under etc MOTD where the banner occurs. So what we have to do is, anyways, we have to log in to the same, enter password, copy, paste, enter. Here sudo move that file which we have placed to etc MOTD. It is asking for password again. Let's enter. Now we have to change the permissions as well. chmod 644 we can give, etc MOTD. Now we can just verify whether it was added or not. Yes, it was added. So here the banner text got displayed. You can exit, and if you want you can verify, I believe. Yeah, as soon as we log in, if you see the banner has applied. We can try another app server. We can exit as the first one it was completed. You just the same thing, SCP, the Nautilus banner to the second Nautilus app. It is Steve at the rate, paste it, enter. Sorry. So we have to give :/tmp as we have to provide the path. It is asking us whether we want to continue. Yes. Let's take the password, paste it, enter. Okay, now it has copied. Now let's log into SSH to this host. Okay, we have logged into the second. So sudo mv temp nautilus to etc motd, enter. It is asking for password again, paste, enter. Now we have to give permission. 644 etc motd. For cross confirmation, we can just check using cat so that it will display whatever is present in motd. Yeah, it's good. Let's exit the last app server, but there is one more, DB server. So the third one is banner at the rate. Let's copy this IP address. Banner at the rate, paste it, enter. Yes, let's copy the password. I think it was not copied properly. Copy. Some issue, I believe. Copy and then paste, enter. Okay, now it copied. Now let's SSH to the same thing. Paste. Copy the password. Paste, enter. Sudo mv/tmp nautilus banner to etc motd. Again the password, copy, paste, enter. So here again let's give the prompt permissions, 644 to etc motd. Let's cross verify, etc motd. Yeah, we are good. So one last, which is a DB server, as all the three app servers it is done. So this is the DB server. Peter is the user. No such file directory, I think because of the space. Yes, the password, copy, paste, enter. We have copied it. Enter Peter at the rate, copy, paste. Let's log into that host. We have logged in. Sudo mv temp Nautilus to etc MOTD. Enter. And then again sudo chmod 644 etc MOTD. Cat etc MOTD. Okay, we are good. There are no other DB servers. So I think we are good. Let's check. Yeah, we are good. So here today we have seen how we can add the Linux banner. The file is under etc MOTD. If we add that, whenever we log into that host, whatever the banner we want, we can give. For example, if you want any downtime, saying that patching is under progress or welcome to this host, something as such, we can add the banner. For more such videos, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.